In this video, I will introduce Unreal Engine 5 to you. Unreal Engine 5 allows you to directly use billions of triangles and high-resolution textures without the need for optimization. This enables the game world to be more realistic and detailed. It allows for dynamic changes in light, sources, and realistic reflections and shadows. Unreal Engine 5 also includes the MetaHumans feature, which allows you to create realistic human characters. It includes features such as realistic facial animations, detailed skin, and hair simulations. Now you can create realistic characters faster and easier. Unreal Engine 5 can also be used for developing open-world games. It supports the creation of large and detailed game worlds. Unreal Engine uses two different programming languages for game development, Blueprint and C++. These are just a few features of Unreal Engine 5. For more details and features, you can visit the official Unreal Engine website. If you liked it, you can support my new channel and show your support for more videos by giving it a small like.